How to fix moisture detected error on Samsung. So this error is shown in your device when there is any sort of moisture or foreign material on your charging USB port. So if this option is shown, you want to make sure that your charging USB port is clean and it does not have any dust or water or any such things in it. So this error is shown you to make sure that you unplug the charger immediately to prevent your phone from damaging. So if there is no problem with the USB port and you're still getting this error message, I'm going to show you some ways on how you can fix that. So the first step is to try to plug out the charger and then plug in again. If you're still facing this issue, head over to your settings, and here you want to head over to battery and device care. Once you're here, tap on battery, and now you want to scroll down and tap on more battery settings. So here, if you've got charging options, you want to make sure that all the options of charging is turned off, such as fast charging or super fast charging. So just toggle these options off and then try to plug in the charger. If you're still facing this issue, make sure that you have plugged in your USB port and then you want to turn off your phone. So just power off your phone, tap on power off, and make sure that your phone is then charging. And once the battery has been charged, you can turn on your phone and you will no longer get this error message. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.